Let me share strategies for these 3 R's. Number 1 is you pause before you react. Emotional flooding is real for both of you. Instead of arguing back, you can say, Anak, I want to talk when we're both calm. I'll step away for now. Number 2, apologize first if you need to. Modeling vulnerability doesn't diminish your authority. It actually deepens trust. Kagaya ng, Anak, kanina nasigawan kita. Hindi ko dapat ginawa yun. Number 3, you have to create safe spaces to talk. Teens open up in small windows. Yung naglalakad lang kayo, kumakain kayo ng dinner, or nasa loob lang kayo ng sasakyan. Don't force deep talks right away. You just need to be present when that window opens. Number 4, affirm their emotions without enabling disrespect. Kagaya ng, naiintindihan kong nahihirapan ka, pero hindi okay yung sisigawan mo ko. Let's find a better way to talk. Number 5, follow through. Kung wala pong follow through, wala pong pagbabago, walang stability, at walang respeto. So yes, reset means calm. Repair means connection. But rules means stability. And all 3 are needed.